Quality sleep is the key to a productive working day and a shield from health problems. Lack of sleep threatens depression, provokes irritability, overeating and spikes in blood pressure, reduces performance. Hello, dear viewers. Today we will find out what to eat or drink before going to bed so that sleep is complete, and in the morning you can wake up cheerful and full of energy. So watch the video to the end, and in order not to miss useful health videos, subscribe and click on the bell. Have you ever wondered that the average person spends a third of his life sleeping? Sleep is the key to health. At this time, a number of important hormones are produced. Tissue regeneration and energy replenishment take place. When we sleep and when we have proper sleep, the body performs three main functions. 1. The most important thing is recovery. The brain is cleared of toxins, accumulated metabolic waste, and their overabundance leads to neurological diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. 2. Formation of a healthy metabolism. Numerous medical studies have proven that if you sleep less than 8 hours a day, energy starts to be burned from carbohydrates and protein, not fat. This leads to negative consequences, weight gain and loss of muscle mass. Also, lack of sleep threatens to increase insulin in the blood, which is fraught with the development of diabetes and heart disease. 3. Strengthening long-term memory. Short-term or intermittent sleep hinders the ability to form memories, both physical and emotional. How much sleep do I need per night? Sleep is a special state of consciousness and physiological a process characterized by a slow reaction to the outside world and specific brain activity. It includes two phases, slow and fast. Slow sleep occurs immediately after falling asleep and lasts about 90 minutes. The body relaxes, the eyes are fixed, you are resting. Fast sleep follows slow sleep and lasts 10 to 20 minutes. Body temperature and blood pressure rise. The body is immobilized. The eyeballs make circular movements under the closed eyelids. The brain is actively working. We dream. These two phases alternate with each other. With prolonged healthy sleep, a person goes through 5 complete cycles. Slow sleep is gradually reduced, and fast sleep increases from 5 minutes to an hour. Scientists have proven that it is desirable for a healthy adult to sleep for about 8 hours. But sleep also depends on age. The younger you are, the more time you need for tissue growth and recovery. Newborn babies sleep for more than half a day, and older people need much less time. So, friends, proper sleep is the key to good health, the secret of beauty and youth. And so, firstly, in order to fall asleep faster and sleep well throughout the night, you should not eat just before bedtime. A late meal will make the digestive organs work, it is worn out, and can cause heaviness in the abdomen, so the meal should be at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. It is better to eat well during the day, and before going to bed, drink herbal tea, which will help to relax, calm down, and prepare the body for sleep. In order for a healthy night's rest, it is necessary to maintain normal sleep hormone levels. Melatonin is responsible for regulating sleep, facilitates falling asleep, corrects biorhythms when changing time zones. What to eat before going to bed to fall asleep soundly? Fresh cherries and sour cherry juice are the record holders for the content of the hormone melatonin, 17.5 nanograms per gram per 100 grams. This hormone regulates the circadian rhythm of the body and helps you fall asleep. In addition, fresh cherries contain the amino acid tryptophan, which activates the production of melatonin by the pineal gland. In one study, participants who ate cherries or drank their juice twice a day for 2 weeks slept 90 minutes more per week and improved their sleep quality. It also contains vitamin B6, which plays an important role in the production of melatonin in the body, which help to reduce stress levels in the body and improve the quality of sleep. Milk and dairy products contain the amino acid tryptophan, which is necessary for the production of the hormone melatonin. The scientific results of the American Association of Nutritionists show a positive relationship between the consumption of dairy products and the quality of a night's rest. For example, a glass of warm milk drunk an hour before bedtime helps to relax and fall asleep. Or better yet, together with cookies, it guarantees a sound sleep throughout the night. In fact, this combination is considered a harmful sedative because it has a powerful relaxing effect. This is due to the fact that in the process of their processing, substances similar to narcotic drugs are released into the blood. Casomorphine and glucomorphine. They do have a calming effect on the body, but they quickly cause food addiction. Chicken eggs are rich in easily digestible protein, which has a positive effect on sleep. It also helps fight acid reflux and heartburn, which interfere with sleep. Egg whites help the body prepare for sleep and also contribute to the production of the sleep hormone, melatonin. Filled with 13 vitamins and minerals, eggs are a rich source of the amino acid tryptophan, which helps you sleep longer and better, ordering the brain to turn off at night. Vitamin D, which is rarely found in foods, interacts with sleep neurons in brain cells, having an important effect on sleep cycles. If you consider eggs to be a difficult product for yourself, think about pure protein. Chicken protein consists of 90% water and 10% animal proteins and has a positive effect on sleep. Grapes contain melatonin in its natural form, which helps regulate a person's sleep and wakefulness cycle, and a sample of a great evening snack. It reduces the rampant appetite, helps to distract yourself, and get quality food for sleep. But you need to eat grapes an hour or two before bedtime. At the same time, it is important to remember about the serving size, otherwise you can accidentally overload with sugar, which can affect the deterioration of sleep quality and the condition of the body as a whole. Melatonin is also found in brown rice, bananas, broccoli, pomegranates, fresh strawberries, and mint. For the synthesis of the sleep hormone, a sufficient amount of the amino acid tryptophan is needed. It contains in hard cheeses, cottage cheese, cocoa, soy, almonds, hazelnuts, oatmeal, and whole grain bread. What to drink before going to bed to fall asleep? With a lack of melatonin, I advise you to drink decoctions of herbs, which are also rich in tryptophan, soothe well, and help you fall asleep. Chamomile has a calming and relaxing effect, makes sleep sound, and chamomile antioxidants protect against migraines. Melissa is an effective remedy for insomnia, which has a strong, soothing property. Motherwort normalizes sleep and emotional background, has a cumulative effect. Cones of ordinary hops have a sedative effect, recommended for the treatment of insomnia, neuroses, headaches, and for stress prevention. And the stereotype that daytime sleep is intended exclusively for young children does not correspond to reality. A short rest from 1300 to 1600 improves memory, transfers information from short-term to long-term, stimulates creativity and learning ability, helps the body resist stress, and improves mood. Thanks for watching, and if you have problems with sleep disorders, and how do you fight insomnia? Write in the comments. In order not to miss useful videos about ill health, please like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell. Share this video with your loved ones on social media. Be healthy and have good dreams.